guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I am going to be pre-planning for the week of February 22nd to the 25th in my B6 Flexi Functional Planner by Tilly Journals, and I'll be using some leftovers from Sweet Kawaii Design. The date covers are from the GB Studio, and I think the checklists are from SBC, and the glitter headers are from like loads of leftovers, so they're probably not the exact same color, but they're different shades of pinks and purples. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So as you can see, I am just going to show you guys how I lay down the base of my planner, because I lay down the base very much so in advance before I come every night and like do what I want to do in terms of PR and content and all of that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.